HR Basics is a series of short courses designed to highlight what you need to know about a particular human resource management topic. In today's HR Basics, we explore employee recognition, exploring why it's important, and how to design and manage effective programs. Recognition is about reinforcement of employee actions, efforts, behavior, or performance that supports organizational strategy. Recognition acknowledges or gives special attention to employee actions, efforts, or behavior and performance that supports organizational strategy by reinforcing certain behaviors, like extraordinary accomplishments that contribute to organizational success. These programs can be either formal or informal. Employee recognition continues to be top of mind as employers use their Total Rewards toolkit to differentiate themselves as an employer of choice and solve a variety of business challenges. Variety is key to recognition. Organizations have different needs. Some need to increase retention in a specific business unit or type of job, while others need to support innovative thinking. One organization may find that recognition will help it to address a very specific individual performance issue, while another may determine that an overall culture of recognition will be better to contribute to organizational success. And yet another company may seek to accomplish all of the above by offering a full palette of recognition opportunities. What's common among all organizations is the challenge to satisfy a variety of intrinsic and extrinsic employee needs in order to attract, motivate, and retain a talented, productive workforce, which is likely to be a key to business success. Recognition programs can be the key to motivating employees and driving organizational results according to a new survey, Trends in Employee Recognition by World at Work. Employee recognition programs remain an important component in the Total Rewards toolkit, with 89% of organizations having programs in place and with 67% of organizations offering between 3 and 6 different programs, with 4.6 as the average number. The average number of programs appears to be trending upward to the 2011 level after dipping to 3.9 in 2013. According to the 2015 report, the top 5 recognition programs have remained the same since 2013, including length of service at 87%, above and beyond performance at 76%, programs to motivate specific behaviors at 51%, peer-to-peer recognition at 48%, and finally retirement at 34%. Let's take a look at the design and management of effective recognition programs. Design refers to a plan or protocol for carrying out or accomplishing employee recognition. Planning is used in recognition to ensure motivation, engagement, and retention of high-performing employees. Using this planning process, you can develop core elements of a recognition plan. Strategy is an extension of an organization's mission, a bridge between the organization and its environment. Goals are a statement of desired outcome towards which effort is directed to realize your recognition plan. And finally, actions are the most important things that can be done to reach stated goals. Employees not only want good pay and benefits, they also want to be treated fairly, to make a substantial contribution to the organization through their work, and to be valued and appreciated for their efforts. To show appreciation, many employers implement ongoing recognition programs designed to thank employees for a variety of achievements. Among the most common programs are those that recognize length of service, exemplary, one-time achievement, and noteworthy performance over a period of time. Although organizations typically recognize employees' length of service milestones and instances of strong individual or team performance, many organizations are beginning to focus on other, less traditional areas of recognition. Among them are the following: the ability to manage or champion change and innovation, systems improvement, customer retention, significant development, and actions that embody the organization's core values. Some employees may not be as motivated as others by an organization's incentives, so organizations should offer a variety of incentives and recognition opportunities to meet various employee needs. For recognition programs to be effective, it should meet several criteria. The program should be well-funded, aligned with organizational goals, appropriate for employees' achievement, and timely. Recognition programs need to be well funded. The key to success for a recognition program is management's commitment of resources. During the budgeting process for the year ahead, the organization should earmark funds for the program and establish methods for distributing those funds. Managers must dedicate the resources, including the time it takes to plan and execute a program, and must enable employees and supervisors to run the program. Through this process, managers can see the distribution is fair and equitable, and the money that's allocated is immediately available to fund programs once it's announced to employees. Programs need to be aligned with goals and values. Recognition programs are most successful when they're aligned with the organization's mission, vision, values, and goals. Employees can tell if there is, or if there is not, a clear connection between what management says is important and what actually is. Programs need to be appropriate. Employees must understand the rationale for recognition programs and should be convinced that the awards are in line with the achievement and the degree of effort that they represent. A recognition system will falter if employee feels that their work is trivialized or even insulted by inconsequential incentives or insincere gestures of appreciation. Awards should be consistent with the employee's achievement and meaningful to the person receiving it. Finally, programs need to be timely. The reward or recognition should be delivered as close as possible to the time of the desired behavior to strengthen the link between the employee's action and the result of the organization. Management is about getting employee recognition done right through planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. The entire recognition process should be managed with a minimum of administrative effort. A system that requires excessive management control, complex financial calculations, or exceptional employee efforts to be understood will not likely achieve its desired results. Employers should provide a clear, written policy and guidelines describing the recognition program and its terms, including employee eligibility requirements, the approval process, the types of awards that will be provided, the frequency of award presentations, the performance goals that will be measured, and the threshold for awards. Recognition programs must be monitored continually for relevance. Employers should consider asking the following questions when evaluating their programs. Are the program's rewards fair and appropriate? Are the program's objectives being met? Are there appropriate levels of communication? Do employees find the program meaningful? And what should be done differently? Few managers are naturals in carrying out employee recognition and awards programs. Most need to acquire skills related to recognizing employee contributions and giving effective feedback and praise. All managers should be trained to do the following: help employees understand the impact their performance has on the organization, explain how the program works and how employees can achieve recognition, learn ways to motivate and inspire others, learn how to communicate needs, expectations, and goals clearly, and finally, deliver appreciation and praise in a sincere and timely manner for maximum results. An employee recognition program should include a means of measuring the value it creates. Few organizations track the return on investment of their employee engagement or recognition programs. Those that do such tracking, however, generally use employee retention levels, overall financial results, and employee productivity levels. Programs should also be monitored continuously to keep them relevant and current. Among the questions that can help determine the program's effectiveness are the following: are the rewards adequate, fair, competitive, and appropriate? Have the program's objectives been met? Do the programs have appropriate levels of communication? Do employees find the program meaningful, and what changes should be made? When employees and their work are valued, their satisfaction and productivity rises, and they are motivated to maintain or improve their good work. Praise and recognition are essential to an outstanding workplace. People want to be respected and valued by others for their contribution.